How to use a bathroom plunger. All right, so your first step is choosing the right plunger. So make sure you're using the correct plunger. A flange plunger works best for toilets, while a cup flounger works best for sinks. All right, now all you need to do after you've selected a plunger to use is to add water if needed. So there should be enough water to cover the plunger cup, and you can add some more if needed. And now once you're done, go ahead and position your plunger properly by placing the plunger over the drain to create a tight seal. And then once you're done there, you can start plunging. So simply push down and then pull up quickly and repeat this motion several times. And then once you're done, you should check if the clog is cleared by removing the plunger to see if the water drains normally. Now, if it doesn't, you could repeat the process again until it does. And if it is still clogged, all you need to do now is simply call a plumber for your severe clog. All right.